Good morning, class 5, chapter number 6, safety and first aid. Student, we were discussing this chapter and we have completed up to this safety from electric current also, and first aid for cuts and wounds also. Now student, in this lecture we will discuss student first aid for nose bleed. So student, this is a very common problem among the children in summer season due to extreme heat or after a bout of coughing or sneeze. When you sneeze, so some bleeding is start. So it is a very common problem. In case so student, there is some first aid for nosebleed. Student, in case of nosebleed, make the person sit. You can see this diagram also. There is a person sitting. It is a set upright on a chair. Okay, and then lean forward slightly. Then student, next press the nose firmly with the thumb and forefinger. Understand what I am saying? First of all, make the person sit upright on a chair and lean forward slightly. Then press the nose firmly with the thumb and forefinger and ask the person to breathe through mouth, not nose. Press the nose with thumb and forefinger and ask the person to breathe through mouth. Next student, place an ice pack or wet cloth on the nose for a few minutes, just few minutes, so student to stop any more bleeding. Okay, now student, first aid for sprain, twisting of the joints. When twist joint, you like in wrist also, ankle also, so a sprain can occur. So student, a sprain occurs due to the twisting of the joints like wrist and ankle. So student, such type of the injuries are very painful, and you know student, usually lead to swelling near the affected area. So what to do in case of sprain student? So first of all student, make the person sit or lie down in a comfortable position and give support to the injured area with a pillow or cushion. Now student, apply an ice pack to reduce the swelling, and then student, it is important that the person does not move the sprain part, injured part, so does not move the sprain part, and a crepe bandage can be used to provide support to the joints. So you can see the diagram also, there is a bandage also, you can see around the sprain ankle. So student, in case of the sprain, hot and cold therapy also used, hot and cold, and can be used to reduce pain and swelling. So cold therapy with ice pack, and hold, we can say that the hot therapy, take the lukewarm water and add some, you can say that salt. So this is the hot therapy, so you can use this also. Okay, so now student, knowledge check also, true and false. In case of in case of nosebleed, we must make the person lie down immediately, lie down or sit. This is a false. This is the false student. Accident, you can write student here the false. Next, accident may happen when others are careless. Yes, maybe happen to and ourselves also. We can use a metal knife to take out a toast from the toaster student. Metal knife. Toaster is a electronic gadget. So if you use metal knife, so what will happen? Shock. Okay students, so this is the false. No, we should not use the metal knife to take out, because we get shock also, current also. Now student, first aid can be given only by doctors. You cannot prepare your on first aid. This is the immediate help for the injured person. So this is the false also. And first aid can be given by anyone. Okay. So student, I hope you understand. We have discussed today first aid for nosebleed and first aid for sprain, and we have discussed also true and false. So nosebleed, in case of nosebleed, make the person sit upright in chair, and in case of sprain, student, make the person lie down. So in knowledge check there is a confusion. In case of nosebleed, in case of nosebleed, we must make the person lie down immediately. This is the false. Okay. So in next lecture, student, we will discuss the first aid for burns, animal bite and fracture. Okay students, take care. Bye.